my chick.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Yesterday I finished my final paper. It's my last ever exam and probably the last time I will go to campus for this entire year. Oh my days. This is... damn. Trust the process. Just blend. Today, me and my friend is going to walk around and we are going to the new Brandy Melville store because they recently made a comeback. Primary school me would be gobbling this shit up. Not gonna lie.
This is your style.
It is.
31 bucks.
It's giving patriotic. Walking to Brandy Melville was humbling. I want to talk about how hot the Brandy Melville workers look like. I swear they are flown across the country from the US.
Just the woman.
NTUC to buy snacks. And I got kopi peng from Ya Kun. It was 2 for 860, bro.
Huh?
2 for 860.
That's why I tell you that get the small cup.
But I wanted a big cup and I didn't want to get the big cup alone, so I got you a big cup too. Should we get fruits?
Only the watermelon looks nice. Only watermelon. Okay, 2块9啊，2块9。
What the fuck?
Thank you for shopping with us.
You have membership.
Yeah.
You know there was one there for a US Asian. And they just like,
Yeah, okay, I'll help you.
just put it on the top.
No, the drink, like the sand will stick to the drink. Wait, can you hold the drink? Never mind. Wait.
Dump it. Oh my god, girl. Put it on the paper bag.
Is this the hover purpose?
Yeah, as a yeah. You know what? I also spray on my face. I think it works.
Really?
And I bought a cheap as well. But you cannot spray too much. If not, it will kill the bacteria. But it's like a baby sanitizer, so it doesn't have
Not hitting the same.
Girl, you're embarrassing.
Damn. That's a little.
Don't take your things. It's gonna fly. The sand is gonna fly your bag. Okay, just
Oh. I was like, those birds are extremely big.
I was like, why are those people doing here? Holding their phones. I'm not a zoo anymore, you know. I was like,
She said,
excuse me.
I'm not to be viewed.
Let me do a haul.
First of all, we got this top. Very cute, very demure. And then another
So
top.
this you can wear with sweatpants. Or like linen pants. Linen pants.
And another
Yeah.
top. Oh yeah. Very
There's a bit-
cute, very cute. Was it worth $50? Probably not.
I got this Singapore cap. Because we
And-
Patreon.
yeah.
We love Singapore.
And she got the same blue top as me.
Free. It's just a bow and a rubber band.
It is. But it's free, so stickers.
You know they had the shaker stickers. You know like last time in primary school, the one that
didn't
has
see
like
that.
the no, they have it. I saw it on TikTok, but I don't know whether they have it in store. I didn't see it in stores, but they have like those shaker stickers that was like popular in primary school. And then you put it at the back of your diary. There's the IJ shit.
Anyways, it's raining, so we are in shelter. It's giving camping. Being a guy is so easy.
But it's so boring. What do they teach me after that?
Look, they dig holes, stuff like that. Go to the gym.
It's boring as fuck.
Oh, like we're living any fucking better.
As a girl, you can go do your nails, you can go buy clothes, you can do your makeup, you can read books. And not like maybe men can do that, but like, they don't choose not to. What the fuck is that motion? What is it?
I cannot.
Yeah, I need a good
Wandering eye, study 6'2", and I'm like, dude, nice try. He was so much fun, and he is such weird.
We've been talking about how to get a boyfriend before we hit 20. I think it's quite impossible. But maybe some miracle will happen. I want to eat something. Well, where do we find something?
There's not Mino.
Do you think it's showing out? Oh my god, look! Take it, take it! I was like, god damn it, fuck. Where, yeah. I was out. And then they started showing me. Okay, not bad. I think they upgraded. They upgraded. Ah!
Come here.
Oh, it's really bright still.
I'm your mom. I'm like a mom.
Oh. He's Zack and jacked. That's quite funny, that's quite funny. Okay. Wow, but Jurong is quite far.
Just choose for me at this rate. Just choose for me.
Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad.
You, it's quite far, isn't it? Yeah. Wait, do you want LDR?